Hi everybody, this is your girl Tanisha Pie-Size Diva, and welcome to your Tropica Divas 2012 review. So I've already done one video, and I wanted to make sure I do a part two because I did not shout out all the wonderful women and men that I work with while I was in Richmond, Virginia. So let's get started. I'm gonna have my little sheet. So forgive me if you see me looking back and forth, but I want to make sure I don't forget anybody. I want to shout out Joy Ashley from Plus Model 411. I want to shout out Edwina from Eddie and Bree. I want to shout out Looking Fab, Mad Sheep Boutique, Plus Model 411, the Face of True Divas, Terrell Worthall, and also represented by the Rock Agency, Teresa Flats, Nanine. I want to shout out Portia Payne, Deborah from Add Flavors. I want to shout out every other model that I've worked with. I want to shout out Jamal Mays, amazing photographer that shot all the pictures for the weekend. I want to shout out Legends Bar and Grill for the after party on Friday night. I love you guys. Thank you so much for allowing me to invade your city. A little girl from Memphis, Tennessee, coming to Richmond, Virginia, where everybody there is so fierce, so curvy, so wonderful and vivacious in their own right, and you allow me to grace the runways with you. So Friday's show was absolutely amazing. I had a ball, absolute blast. The girls were really fun to work with. The hair and makeup team was really on point. The show was good. We got in, we got out, everybody laughed. The after party was off the chain. I was tired as hell when I went to bed, but it was worth every penny. Excuse me if I yawn, I'm tired. Forgive me, you know I have to do these videos at night because half the time I have to work. Saturday show, red carpet galore. Had a VIP section and had red carpet. The show was for the taller girls. It was absolutely amazing. The show was great. The clothes were phenomenal. Eddie and Bree closed the show out, and they gave her a nice warm congratulations on the 10-year anniversary to Teresa Flats. The host was off the chain. I mean, the hosts were so funny. She was like, clap for yourself, you don't clap for nobody else, which is absolutely true. And the male host, I forgot his name. I've been trying to find him on Facebook for you guys for the last couple of weeks, but he is off the meter. And he's so inspirational. He's so uplifting. And for him not to be a curvy man, you know, he is very uplifting towards all women, and that's something that I absolutely love. The walk-off was really, really good. The clothes were even better. The vendors were great. Shout out to Tracy Lynn Jewelry. I absolutely love your pieces. Me and my auntie went a little bit crazy on your pieces, and I can't wait to find some more of your things. So I know who to come to when I need my jewelry, Tracy Lynn Jewelry. Also, I want to shout out everybody who worked behind the scenes. People to put the shows together, the volunteers that put the VIP reception together, Miss Terrell and Miss she's gonna kill me for forgetting her name, Miss Lisa. You guys did an amazing job. You didn't have to, but you did, and it was absolutely amazing. I want to shout out to Sarita Rios from Atlanta. I love your line. You did a really good job on Saturday, and I'm so proud of you. I've been knowing you on Facebook for a long time, and for me to see you come full circle with your line, it was absolutely amazing. I want to shout out to Colleen from Short Curvy Fierce. Amazing. Absolutely amazing to work with. You have a great personality, wonderful smile, and you just exude confidence. You exude what a woman should be, not only on the business side, but on the model side, and that's something I really appreciate. I want to shout out to Autumn Richardson. Girl, you my girl. We've been knowing each other for a while now, and every time that I've come to Richmond, you've embraced me. You've taken me around. We've hung out. We go shop, which I cannot do with you no more. If you girl, whoop, you know how to find some sales. I can't shop with you. But Autumn, you're my girl, and I just want to thank you so much for your hospitality, for your kindness, for your generosity. I want to thank you for just being a friend. And I've seen you come from a model to your business, a model's closet, you know, to building a brand, to building what I knew you always were, and you knew who you always were. And it's so good to see, and I'm just so happy that I'm blessed to be your friend enough to see it all come full circle. I'm just so appreciative of everybody that allowed me to come into the scene. Even though we had our snag ups, it's okay because everything happens for a reason, and God is in control even when we're not. Sunday show was really cool. True Divas in Motion. Final Walk was in purple. Nanine rocked it out with her purple outfit. All right, girl, boo boo kitty, check your email. And I just had a blast. Sunday just set it all off. I got a chance to get some rest before I had to fly back home, which was awful. But the show was good, but the flight home was awful. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to come to Richmond. I can't not wait to come back. I'm hoping to make it to Deborah's show in November, and hopefully do some more work in Richmond, hopefully to make it my home in a couple of months. Stay tuned for more of Keeping It 100, the web series. Stay tuned to everything that you need to know. Go to curvemag.com for this issue and this review and the pictures of the clothes that I selected for this month. Just because I didn't pick your outfit doesn't mean I didn't love it. I just was very restricted onto what I can show. So it's Curv Mag, CURVZMAG.com, and I'm going to be under Pint Size Diva instead of the Curvy Guru, because as everyone knows, that name has been taken since I started doing my blog. It was taken all of a sudden, and I just wanted to make sure everybody knew to look under Pint Size Diva. Not look under the Curvy Guru. That's a completely different person, and she has her own business and her own entity, and she's an amazing person. So I'll be under Pint Size Diva this month, and when I officially change my name and change on all my business and all my letterhead, I'll make sure to let you guys know. This your girl Tanisha, Pint Size Diva. That's what's up. Have a wonderful, 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 divalicious week, and be blessed, be holy filled, and make sure you always keep God first in everything that you do. Stay safe out here. People are crazy. Look at more of my videos when you get a chance. Again, this is your 2012 Tropical Divas 10-year anniversary review, and I'm Tanisha Jackson. Bye.